My name is Sonam Bhattak, and today I am presenting my assignment for CSY 2094 Software System Design and Development. The project I developed is a task management system. This is a Java desktop application designed to help an organization manage users, tasks, progress, notification, and employee performance in one system. The main purpose of the system is to solve a common problem that I myself has feel in the workplaces. In many organizations and companies, managers assign tasks manually, employees update their progress through messages or emails, and administrators do not always have a clear view of user activities. This can create confusion and lack of accountability. My system solves this by providing a centralized task management platform where each user has a role and can perform specific functions according to their responsibility. So the system has three main users, which is employee, manager, and administrator. So now I will briefly demonstrate the user interface and the main features of the system. So first I will log in as an employee. So let's run the program. So this is the login interface. And now we're going to log in as an employee. Now the application starts with a secure login screen that includes email and password authentication, user registration, and a forget password option with OTP recovery. Now for the OTP recovery, I will demonstrate it later in the video, but for now, let's log in as an employee. So the employee dashboard allows users to view assigned tasks, update task progress, and add status, add remarks, receive notifications, track performance to the leaderboard, and even generate task reports and manage their own profile information. So let me show you it one by one. So this is the employee dashboard where they can see the task that has been assigned by the manager. Now, this particular task has not been started. Now, if this has been started, what I can do is I can just put it in the next tab, which is in progress. And as you can see, the percentage itself has been increased. And now I myself can also increase the progress here. Now, if I think like I have completed 35% of the project, I'm going to put 35% here. And in remarks, I'm saying in progress. For now, let's just put that. And if you want to update, it has shown the progress of successfully. Now it has been updated in the manager tab as well. And the notifications, you can see the OTP notifications and the assignment notification, the overdue and everything here. In the leaderboard right now, there is only one employee. So now there is minus 10 points, which is based on the previous task that he has submitted. So that was the overdue that because of that, it has been minus 10. And here's the report where I can download report like the complete task report. I can generate it and then I can export in CSV or TXT. And in the profile, I can change my name. So in here, like let's put my name Sonam, Sonam Ahata, and then let's save the profile. So now let's log out from here, and then now we log in as the manager. So this is the manager at the talks.com. This is the email address, and now this is the passport. I think I will have to show the OTP function now. Okay. Anyway, so this has been logged. So the manager dashboard focuses on task management. As so the manager can create, assign, edit, and monitor tasks. Now this was the tab that I updated from my from the employee, and now as the manager, I can see that the task has been updated in 35%. So in the manager section, as I say, manager can create, assign, edit, and monitor tasks, organize them using the task board with drag and drop functionality, review employee progress history, monitor team performance through the leaderboard, and generate management reports for completed and pending and overdue tasks. Now there's the same thing. You can see in here in the notifications. As you can see, there is an update. There's a lot of notifications here. And then in the leaderboard, as there is one employee which is on about the minus 10 points, I can download the report and I can just update my profile also as from the manager section. Now let's log in as the administrator. So in the administration section, as you can see, there is a default manager and there is an employee name and the system administrator. The administration dashboard provides complete system control. Administration can create, update, activate, deactivate, and delete user accounts, assign user roles, monitor all tasks across the system, generate system-wide reports, and manage overall user activities. These three dashboards demonstrates how the system use role-based access control, ensuring that each type of user has access only to the features and responsibilities relevant to their role. So now let me explain more about the project. This system was developed using Java Swing for the graphical user interface, MySQL as a database, JDBC for database connectivity, and Maven for dependency management. The project followed a layered architecture consisting of model, view, control, service, DAO, database, and utility package. These structures separate responsibilities, making the application easier to maintain and extend. Now, the model package contains classes such as user, task, notification, OTP, progress update, leaderboard entry, role priority, and task status, which represents the main system entities. The view package contains the Swing interface, including login, registration, dashboards, task boards, reports, notifications, leaderboard, and profile screens. And the controller package connects the user interface with the business logic. The service package contains the application's core functionality, including uh, and authentications and task management, notifications, reports, leaderboard scoring. The DAO package manages database operations, while the database package handles database connections and automatically creates required tables if they do not already exist. The system uses a database called task management, which contains tables for users, tasks, task assignments, progress updates, and notifications, OTPs, reports, leaderboards, and activity logs. Together, these tables manage user information, task data, progress history, notifications, reporting, and overall system activities. Managers can create, assign, edit, and monitor tasks, while employees can update task progress, change task status, and add remarks. The task board supports drag and drop functionality, and the system automatically detects overdue tasks and generates reminders as notifications that can be sent to the manager and an employee as well. Then the notifications are created for important events such as assignments, competitions, overdue tasks, and OTP password recovery. To encourage productivity, the system includes a leaderboard that offers points based on task completion time. It also generates reports for completed, pending, overdue, and employee performance data, which can be exported as CSV or TXT files. Administrators can manage users by creating, updating, activating, deactivating, deleting accounts, and assigning roles. The project applies object-oriented programming principles, including encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, and follows the separation of concerns architecture where the view handles and the user interface. The servers layer contains business logic and the DO layer manages database operations. The system also validates user input, such as email format, password requirements, mandatory task fields, and progress values between 0 and 100, ensuring data quality and reliability. During development, the main challenges which I have faced was integrating Java with MySQL, and then implementing role-based access control, managing tasks progress history, and combining notifications with leaderboard scoring. These were addressed using a layered architecture and dedicated service classes. In the future, the system could be enhanced with email-based OTP delivery, file determinants, calendar integration, advanced reporting charts, cloud database hosting, real-time notifications, and web or mobile versions. Now, I have used the console email service so that once I requested for an OTP, it's gonna show on my console. So for example, so let me try to log in as an employee, but by forgetting the password. So now I've forgot password. Now I have to put my registered email, which I'm going to put the employee the rate tax reference. Now I will send the OTP. Now the OTP has been sent in the console. As you can see, here is an OTP, it's 901116. So this is an OTP generated by the system. For now, it is not going to go to the email, but going to show in here. Then now I'm going to put the enter OTP, and now I can confirm the new password. So let's say like I'm going to put here SNAM, and then I'm put here, and I'm going to reset the password. Click here, and now it shows the password must be between 8 and 20 characters, as I have described that in here that I have put a certain specifications that the password must meet. So after we put that, we can just reset the password. So in conclusion, this task management system successfully delivers secure authentication, user management, task assignment, progress tracking, notifications, delivered scoring, representation generation, and password recovery while following object-oriented programming principles and a clean layered structure. Thank you for watching my demonstration.